me get to the faras que lem ki.
Good luck,
Game like a Tory, you so special.
I'm here to work hard, teenage pinga cha mitambo. Itiba zwenda dera, chingo dera zwa mishasho.
Dinda, what's up? This, go better.
Sunday nengazi ndikadwani duka nsohana ndimwana ndi wamahongoni sasa ndapромisa zone ndari khalanda musi ridova rina khomba yasho ridova rina mumwe muthu na which is very special when it comes to the Venda music rikwamba ndirikwamba muzika woto tangana na no wapano khala hayani ndichikwamba ngani na if ndisakwamba nga rita d hey eish aya ukwetia mini hapa peti na network eto ngaiko ribhaizisa hapa petu rita let's see ringatozviitisa hani aha we think like we're getting there yeah so ndavapropesa zone she's about to come live usikale neportari kunaye wadava kumuvona vari ndo vasumbedza chifato chawe pedzi nangu risati tomwamba naye vakomuvona musi ndiye nenda kwamba nenda cheri namusi ridova rinaye anepa adizo ri kuto interfere nga mini chidaka network but yeah avari ndi sotengo tabanya timende vapesele track noni ndi givene vari ndi G Voice otangana na Big Robza vachiko diary hey ndi murumba ona na zwimwe aha hai network. We sorted now. Hey, this is yet chivonelero. Sazunda promise zone ndara kadwala na muze nditawani na Rita D. Sazunda wakumubona nepo gomba komba oswika ndi mumwe batu ndangambore when it comes to South African music. Richamba the female, she's one of the most hardest working. Ndiriba ngamba bamba mara to be honest ni mumwe watu bane bashuma manda richikwamba ngamuzika rikozana muzika from music wa Venda Raseza national we even look international ngori she's not just working with local people, she's working with people within the country and out of the country. So mutu hoenda kwamba ene ndi Rita D bamdiba Rita D Entertainment ndiko mtanganeza ka Van Rap Radio Rita nenga dzina ndi doka ndisona ndi ngwana wa maongoni uko toani ngasonda yorani.
Sona ndiyevhudzine mani mini fedzi wena vathetshelesi na vataleli va Van Rap Radio. What's up, man? My name is Rita D, the number one Van Rap diva.
Yeah, the Van Rap diva. Welcome back, welcome home. Rita, yeah, man, you've been trending. What sorry. Okay, one of this show in Yawari is online. It has YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and all. Yeah, what is all about this Sunday Express? Who could you mean?
The name of the show is Sunday Life Express. Life Expressions. I saw Daily Sun couldn't even write it right. The life expressions, but the name of the show is Sunday Life Express. It's a live show. Never perform a live. Whenever one a band. And then bakwaya batoimba not just no bazina michini kana dzetune. So we want to we want to take people back to where the music started. Ngombe sangore utonga vali abachana mishumo because we going all digital, kushimisa so computer, it's beat, whatever. So now we want to create that hype, live set music.
Okay. Aibo ukoite amini zina because
that's the only thing missing, you know, to bring back the real music.
Yeah, I know. I do say Ria. Not that mapungori. Yeah, nendiko mufa. Ukomfa.
Ndiko nifa kulesa.
Hey bo, ukweti ani azino. Zazino. Nendiko nifa clear. Hello, ndiko mufa.
Okay, I think I can read lips. So I can just read your lips.
Okay. So you know go fara. Ivan.
Okay. Challenging though.
Okay. Or let me do this. Let's cut and then I'll come back to you again. We can continue. And everything is clear. 100%, like 100%.
Okay, we can wait
okay, so it's all about putting music back to the people.
Yes, Sunday it's when you express your music, but you express some music. So we're giving upcoming artists a platform in to showcase some music because remember, when we do international shows, like if you have to go perform in Spain, for instance, but check us out, they need a live band and a performing artist. So for that market, we have to we've got gospel artists who perform live every Sunday at churches. So they were not getting a platform to showcase. So we're giving them a platform. We have people like that. So we are giving those, and funny enough, we've got a lot of those. Which I was aware of. There's Molutro, there's Judiana, like this is a huge.
There's a huge market.
I just can't see you today.
Okay, so I see. Okay, so it's every Sunday you have new artists every Sunday.
I have a platform, so I think the Sunday Life Express it's for that. That's why we've been doing it from the first week after Corona until today. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. So, which means Corona have made people discover some talent, some hidden talents. The way now, okay, let's do this. Let's go.
Hey, Nema, can you hear me?
I can hear you. But to let me do this. We're gonna go back to Rita D Zino Anepa. So I'm just gonna play you another song. And remember never to Ziso or grand apapetu. Namak J over Jonamini na Majita. Akotanga mini. Can you wanna go sugar mama? Eh? Ziavoya about the fair.
I'd like to apologize on behalf of Mac Fine for killing all these niggas.
Funny old souls.
Ngomfazi no.
Hey, ndikonipa nasanipa maningi.
No, don't worry. Mapungo azirain. Okay, Romuana Kraziashi Koi. Wakombona futi obuya nevo kakona nevo. Ritaraka diamba ngandabo yori the platform ego power to what give a chance or showcase side diabo they can perform live as mapungo sokotofi we playing the auto tune behind the record amba the beating what do you call this thing like the disking when you need people
the program zedzi nawana navatu vanoriza keyboard navatu vanoriza katara you know the acoustic guitars and whatever so avana vatu avacha kono showcase so just because everything has gone all computerized all digitalized somehow so Sunday Life Express is giving a platform upcoming artists who are not yet signed which means they are fresh and raw. So with raw music, or a platform where they can express their music to the world and showcase their music to the world. So that's why we've been doing the Sunday Life Express.
Okay, now I get it. So let's look at this. I see you've been working with the likes of your Colbert. I see like today you have people like Raskanli, you have Cairo, you also have people like the DJ, one of the best DJ and I can Rambor Vendai. I know we have that guy.
Big up to the DJ.
Yeah, Mr. Ndojevanga. So does this artist have to approach you or you approach them and advise them, yo guys, I have this platform and you guys can come through?
Lucky enough, the gay corona, whatever, we have to do lockdown. The pandemic has started. Yeah. I sat down with my team because now the virus is busy. There's no shows got cancelled. You can't plan for the future now because you don't even know when you can host events, when you can go back. Remember, you only have two options on the table. It's either you keep yourself busy in the studio recording more music, good music, material you have to come to these platforms the social media and entertain your people still. Remember, just besides over entertain, create a platform for artists. Remember, we have to be assisting artists. So that's where Sunday Life Express came about. Rabonor, okay, we've got a small space in the garage which we can just do a background, whatever. Try get artists. The first week it was for my artists. The first show, because we had access to
equipment.
Yeah. So we started just us, and then another following week, people will get bored. Yeah. So where is a platform and open for everybody? Like now, if you're an upcoming artist around Vembe region, Kanachula Mela, and you have a professional music video, you can send it to Rita D. I can take it to TV, submit it on your behalf, and then your music plays on TV. So it's like the same thing that we're trying to open the platform for every artist now. You know, not just RGE artists. Like, let's open these doors for everyone to come in, and then we're gonna congest all the market. Because
the truth is, if there's a lot of us and then we're doing the same thing, not the times when I'll be knocking the doors, and then when I'm tired ndikokodza muya yakokonya yete go tired ena yakokonya yete
ndiyafala una lwendo lone luwalenga nga mandesa nema vamwe vasalesa murahu vavili vaya phanḓa, but then at the end of the day roṱhe ri vha ri sikuwa fhethu. It's like we're moving in one place because at the end of the day ri khou dovha futhi ra vha ri nga fhasi ha vhaḽa vhaṅwe futhi. So the whole idea is for us to have our own umbrella and then sell it to the world.
Hey, yeah, ne. So after this lockdown and everything, what's the way forward? Is it still gonna continue?
That's the best part. Artists started calling us, started receiving emails, WhatsApps, better slot, or performing slots. And funny enough, it seems as if the videos are present, maybe no competition or whatever. Them, I mean, professionally, well colored grading, well done.
Yeah.
So so now we have taken a decision of okay, fine, let's continue. Let's make it an in thing, So we already have a website which will start running next week. Website. We just want to push it digitally. And then thanks to Marshall Resort, sponsor, Canon approached us as a sponsor. Affordable Technologies came with data. And then, as the makeup artists, the stylists, they're come on board, and now we just joined in with Marshall Cafe, Marshall Resorts, and Marshall Liquor. So for Hey and Amusi, in the next 2 hours, the bandage go to the new studios where we're shooting. Let's use whatever we have. But today, for the first time, we have a beautiful stage, a beautiful setup powered by Marshall Cafe. So the very strong lockdown. So it shows that we're growing and improving. So today is not Bodola Sunday. It's a show.
You didn't understand something. Yeah, we get limited. Maybe sometimes
because
all that.
There is no movement, and we had to abide the new rules and regulations.
Yeah. Rita, utonga re network iko mdowa hapa noni. Yeah.
We didn't have. I mean, no, we have two DJs. I remember.
Rita. Okay, so I'm looking at this whole thing. It's something that like streaming, we've been doing it, we've been talking about it, we've been pushing the artists to do a lot of things online, we've been trying to educate them. Mara, I guess when somebody steps up now, Richko na more platforms zine zadwaziko express akana ziko bisira bembibaya and kagara ne. I think it's gonna be a good way, or instead of go compete, I push it.
I don't know what happened to the sound. It went back to the same way it started.
Eva Nawash. Ngomzimu maras problem ngor arita di ndeka domtoda ndeka do bisere ene usika honera do ko continue ariko diamba zwinji uri usiko ne baba do ko for mapungwano ni a music already plan iko ya guy no ne rekodo zwitisa hani bakubona. So let's see if we can get her back again.
I'm talking to all the youth, man.
Okay,
hello. Yeah,
network. Okay, I was saying when it comes to this thing as streaming and musical, we've been speaking about all these things. We've been advising people all about these things. Marai, rasa zo vamra batovongo geranta. Come on. So come on. We've been streaming online for how many years? 7 years now. Or what? So I think the issue right now, if we have different platforms that go by MB chance to express themselves, Evan Nawash, who could you mean about Petuzin? Hey. No, network iko buy that. Iko buy that. Your network is
it's on your side.
Not on my side. Everything is perfect.
And number 2, Number one, number two, affordable technologies on the right spot, the biggest router they have. Affordable technologies.
I'm using the same one. I'm using the very big one.
You're not.
I am, and I'm running.
I'm using the biggest one.
And you know what? On my side, we have that thing that shows the network is gone. It's called the green bar. So if it goes orange, you know your network is going down. It goes red.
We're using the same one. I think we're using the same one.
Okay, let's do this. I'm going to just refresh you now. Let me just do this quickly. Okay. Ngomnamsi utongari zikubuya panon. Zikubuya ngamanda manda.
Mbeba zoka netambo.
Let me do this. Let's go back to Rita and see. Okay.
I better work harder with my pen and my paper. When you see me, know that I'm a paper chaser. I'm greater, beat generator. Banja baba kamne ba kunyaka ni ba bike. Yani chikoro ni ba de dezi ba ni teache. Ninga kona songo chona. Never play the system, never sit on the corner. High corner, the Chinese are Ulara, the Chinese are Mahola, neighbor, Wamba Mahola, Yani Chikoro, the need the Zuma number holder, Basuna, the rest of our eaters are Pola. Terribles and not the food and need the corner, Vanna, Tapanani, Vanna, a corner. I watch a blow my wet up like a corner, not a Zuma, need the Sakana, Yani Chikoro, Yani Chikoro, Yani Chikoro. Kudara uya kundu kata cherese changa chijemu Vito ziyanga shurwa sambulambo
memo romonora zuro mwana wa kundo dzinonga kavo ndimufuno pira na track ya bombo ochama mwana kadengeno ndisamubona ndizura ndikamutsiko mbilu yanga ikopena sanero every time ndichimbona you my hero can we take a peek together memo zvimwe ndingatura ish mafemo kadengeno ndimo ise kumba kwedu kaumbure nne naye rikadeja fu you my queen nne nava mavu domotsireredza upira namatanzu this track memo it's about me and you this track memo it's about me and you this track memo it's about me and you 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 the bomb this is a changu chiche chikadana na pana chaka ipa chakupa mazurudano kujaka senipa chikuchoda pa mtsipa ndokuchambira bora zvazvalena tipa pakaita nokushupa ugondipipa ngomdzipa ndogona para ngozi nindika iripa nekuda kwemazurudano arijipa.
Okay. Rita, I guess now I have you back again. Rukupana.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Una feedback now, no confess feedback. I don't know ugo shumisa meaning ange.
Feedback.
Okay, let me do this as problem. We're gonna do this. Let's do this. Okay, let's focus on the voice. Yeah, ne.
I'm
picking up a lot of sound. I don't know if you're watching the video.
No.
Okay. Okay, so rarka diamba ngapungo eliani lori.
I was, but then it's off for now.
And you're breaking up so bad. Let me move to the voice. Let's go audio.
I can see me, man. I can see you.
Yeah, I can see you. I can see you. Okay. Raro gumapla kwamba the platform is no ni bunjazo kuzitoda. Zikonosika une abore booster or pusha music wa hayani or suke une wayapanda na batu bakono promote or namshi chifuko kodea batu baba venda baba imbi baba na people bangono ba search like online because most of the artists never thought that you can't find anything online.
CV, yeah, artistic, not only artists. CV, mona baka entertainment this days. It's on these platforms. Even when you're filling up forms online, maybe there's competitions in Mauritius for artists and stuff like that. About 10 pages. They just made a rate card, influential rate card, or in social media, and then they're gonna check your post. How active you are, and then they're going to go on YouTube. They're going to link, but the link, but they're going to the Spotify link. They're going to need, iTunes link. So, Zambari, the woman, in the Mona Monga and Mona Moa, and other entertainment is no focus which is more digital. That's our space and platform. Then radio, the TV, that's where we sell the music. Yeah.
So Zambo, these days, if you're not online, Zambo Zori, a month.
Things are changing, Nema. And then I pandemic your the changes. So it depends on whenever could do back where I can never move on a string and I can never do some. Are we still going to use the same strategies that have been working for the past 20 years? The only could change. If you can see, iwe munhu akanokuza zori namina ndiso ndopedzaita website mara ndikava ndina 10 years ndikuadvise if you create your own website ndikakopa zvisina mushumo mara during this COVID times and linking up on different conversations different social platforms ndosvika henda gudo ana nditokonova we've got different chat rooms kadzi WhatsApp hanepa kaZoom, so I've been attending most of those.
Yeah.
So I've been getting a lot of those advices and listening as well. In other countries and whatever. So if people are moving in other countries, you have to inspire and come back home and do it this side and try do it.
No, I guess when Spinga Zivaka Kareminati, Rene I think too much vendor, no problem. There's we don't want to grow or believe or certain people should do certain things.
Maybe okay, we can make it another example. I got to social media yesterday and I wanna create unyaga kwa SABC na and then I was like okay, people who are actually doing that kind of never kufuma muliro which means those people are the best fans or the best supporters of both platforms
yeah.
And then nacheka naona okay ange hutosengisiwa mapungu manje ange ndi radio yo entertainer zomara ndikobva ulimai ndingabona ntumbu ngopesa ndatakala and I forget if I have my own issues or ndichifuna some goals kana mapungu abathu kana nyagodipesesa zvithu zvinozokuita yani pa around venda then ni yakahela platform imwe ndikompesesa nava up to date uri mufudzi mupiwa otswa mini kana ngongwana so it's two different platforms so ndawana ndisikokona zvithu sorry don't these people get it that now huna muzuru omfonera o ambori I see this thing with a cupboard behind but the viewership is dope abazvibone ngayo ndira ndikona vandikwambora ndintumbu wachovilingana you get my point
yeah.
Muzuru ukofa otakala achikofonera rito I see there's something on this platform what marina uri riveritsori ritaro le achikoboli monitor udodibonera ntumbu abakuseya ngwa mapungu wote ana ndiko yagofa chele ndagidimera umwe kana yagofa mapungu ashango la venda ndagidimera umwe so it's two different things ningafa machera uchivopi chekani Sunday Life Express what not vahangwa uri they are fuming uri dzimwe artists dzingochawana platform because if platform showcase. You don't know who I know or who I have on my social media who can do what. Platform I've got 80k subscribers on my YouTube channel in Venda. I'm giving you that 80k platform. I mean, hello. It's a good channel for the international market. Facebook page. It's different. I'm trying to say it's different content for different audience and different target. Like you asked me, what's happening on Sunday Life Express? It's a live performance with a live band, live on your phones. That's what it means for upcoming raw talent, artists who are not signed anywhere, artists who want the world to see what they can do. But willing not advice worry. People who want to showcase their talent. Nothing about competing with anybody there.
Yeah, I think that's the issue in you're facing Amanda Venda. I'll give you an example. Chipinga Chamsi Zozo, I've used him a lot as an example. Chamsi ako roka Amanda we know ahuna muembi apanda anyabori ufana naye ti ani ako watching onongorala. Watch Gomboza and the rest. They were blocked. Hey, you can't copy Zozo. You can't do this. You can't be another artist.
Nobody copies anybody because especially when it comes to music, I want to own what kind of sound or what kind of voice. That's why sound as maybe Whitney Houston were sampled from songs which were famous back before our times.
Thank you.
Because today I was listening to this other song, Fraser O'Neill sent me a song today. Yeah, if he loving retired because I mean in the sample year in the original sample year 2009. You're a simple 1984. You get my point.
Simple as that.
I don't understand. A lot of sound. Nyimbo za Spanish verse have been sampled from old artist music, from old albums. They've been sampled from other songs. It was not in your times. Then people are fighting about who stole what. What do you own?
Hey, yeah, ne.
What do you own?
Rina matada. Rina mango matada. Uma uru sapa richidaka pungula.
Cover song, like for example, when my Josie started, she started with cover songs. That was a good platform to start. But now she's doing her own music, her own sound, her own twang, you know. But you have to start somewhere. If somebody's starting a bone, I'm going to go
because if we look at this whole thing, music, why like no zama ignore this part here. I kept quiet, but it got to a point where I decided, you know what? I think we need to address the issue. I'll give you an example. When Riwu started doing online stream. When Comzero does his own online stream, some people already started comparing him.
Big ups to
Comzero.
Big ups to Comzero, Dogofara, you're doing great. That's too dope, man. I'm a Van Rap fan from day one, man, from the ground. So I watch that every time. It's too dope.
Yeah. So no one about to compare listen to Comzero. And we sit and we look at like, dude, but we compare based on what? Because Rine, we've been doing this for years. We've been working together.
Remember, you started Van Rap Radio when there was still Van Rap Couch, man. I go to Mpumalanga, I hear people say, hey, that's a Van Rap Radio. And to them, it's huge. On the phone, and being a video call, and artist in Mpumalanga. This is actually the Van Rap Radio owner, you know?
We did.
So, hey, don't worry. We are. But little knowledge is very dangerous, and the were well informed. Just because they have their own personal issues. So with me, I don't write with negativity. I write with positivity. You know.
Yeah.
Whatever ndakumbula chithu zvino atikorendera uri nditome ndikuwane muthu ari nachida dori ndikonochiita kana nditome ndikuwane mini kana plan ndikuwane limwe stage lihuru na imwe sound guru na mini. No, I will work with what I have until I get to where I want to go to.
Thank you.
Zvinozoiteka ntumbu, big ups to that. Vantu vanji vafuna kutorindira ndezvo zvine ndojajiwa na mina bado zviita zvinomvereza.
Hey, because people will feel your vibe.
Where were these people before? So they talk too much when you start because they're waiting for somebody to start and capitalize on you because they are afraid to start something of their own.
Venda, we still have a very long way to go. I'm based on the issue. Rine, we don't have a big platform.
We don't. And I've been told so many times, so many doors being shut. Yeah, South Africa, and we don't actually have that consistent market. That's when I just one because what and arena market and still that's very stupid.
I remember when I think about
I don't know if I'm crazy, but it just sounds
because I remember the issue. What do you call these guys? The guy like the trace meetings. There's a channel in Anepa. They will tell you your language doesn't fit. Like language category of music. You don't have anywhere on.
Fighting with MTV documentary, but then they are saying about Vendariba Tukusa and the market was in the motor. That's when I'm moving to Chitambazungongori. I don't Venda Pez back on Morasna, Chimagine target never query feature. So remember Tukusa the Barachibananga church, it is very dumb, buddy. Who's going to watch you do what?
If you go back, Nana MTV issue. There was a budget, I remember, by SABC One, what you call the Retome show. It was like 16 episodes, 15 episodes. We asked to record the music video. I think we only received like 7. And then if we're receiving 7 videos, how can you have a 16 episode show in a? You can't have enough music videos. Come on. This is like when? Back in the days, 2016, 2017. Still until today, only now we're seeing a little bit of change. But that change comes with hate. Come on. So I think we need to do something about this thing. The more we speak about it, maybe that's when what the Zama.
And then I think you're gonna just one quality when I feel too, because our artists don't want even those 7 videos, Nema.
They don't invest on videos.
7 videos.
Yeah, they don't at all. Hey, yeah, so yeah.
That's why I'm saying that artists in a music video
you gone again. Rita?
TV.
Good day, mina babit. Yeah, but to Rongari, Ranaptada Yana, upon Namusina, Taka network, I but I'm gonna try to get hold of her again. We left with like 10 minutes. Yeah, it's just a couple of minutes, and then we need to speak to yeah.
Yeah, come on.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I think the issue submit a music, ne? I'm gonna also address it. I'm gonna address and I've spoken to a lot of artists way back. I wanna problem ya baba nebo fara cherede. Nkobona batu bene abori maybe kala ya nepo bona cherede zabo kana mini. By influence the artist or no, I'll give you money. I'll do this for you. Mara mutuone does not know anything about the industry. Had divino zoro music we submit so han. Rita?
Okay, okay. That's my network went bad somewhere there.
Yeah.
You
know, if you look, most of the artists, they end up back on Smbezor hang out na watu bane worry wanachede zao ne. Bane baba influencer the most when it comes to craft yabo. Ngandira ine even when we supposed to read
Hi Nema.
Come move.
Your network is killing you now. Yeah.
No, now my side is fine. Green.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you clearly.
My side is perfect. Okay.
I'm on green. I'm still on green. Okay.
Yeah, you were still
so Ruanori ni wanaziko wako influence wanga batu bane babori maybe baba rengala zibia nga weekend baba tira mini nga weekend anepo. To a point when you trying to assist or work with an artist what didn't refer kana kono manage. The manager will charge you or submit a video again to the station. Or they will charge you
to submit a video for them.
Hey, even to interview them. Those same managers will come. No, you need to pay us. You want to if I may say.
Yeah. Well informed. Once you see a lot of people on TV, the programs on morning live show, the programs on life amp. People are actually, some companies pay for that. So they pay PR to organize stuff like that. Somebody got 3 months, for example, someone like Vustinova. But when a company is going to visa 35,000 for exercise via 2 months. Somebody activity in that 2 months. Hela 35,000 yakabvara 2 months pedzi uri vana vayakasele matunzi uri vana vavanoda ka life amp uri vana vabva vakoperforma ka what express ka Sunday Life Express hova ho tsiko todeya zvino PR public relations, so you're paying 32,000 rand for 2 months, which means ndivegengana ndivegedza 8 because it's mostly on weekends, weekdays, and show nyan. So we're gonna do these activities showing up. Because remember, your movement is money. For you to be on TV, it's money. So in November, I nema konitera favor. Nema uba konitera favor. Ngori the interview because on the platform you're the rengisa. Who rengiswa in Samuimbe, not in Nema.
Like they don't.
Nema does not benefit anything. The show goes on with or without you.
Come on, like they don't understand. There is a lot of people when like any music video, like give me your music video and do submit it. You'll talk to an artist, then you pay them 2-3 months. I want to put you on.
I don't know professional music video for never submitted about the trace. I mean, nothing paid. We don't need a cent from that. We just assist
the
them.
problem will be one.
Give them a good platform.
You will need to buy them data again. They will tell you like there's always a story.
So what?
Come on. So these people they don't want to invest
Learn
in
to invest in yourselves. They should learn to invest in themselves.
So I think with this whole platforms in Rakobanazo and these different shows, Wokom Zero, I'm a visitor, or mostly I can only do them on Sunday.
The band rap shows.
No, this is the Hustlers Corner. This is where we talk to all the hustlers.
Hustlers Corner.
Yeah. So we look at.
So I'm one of those hustlers now. Okay. Hello.
We have your Ntumbu coming on board. But people that will never know all these platforms. At the end of the day, we work hand in hand. We help each other. True
that, buddy. True that.
Because if I'm speaking to you now, was not. Hey Rita, can we talk? But there was no question. Mungwani is on the other side. We need to focus on building Venda instead of focusing on it. We're forever gonna be fighting.
They will fight alone. Me, I don't have energy to waste, Baba. My dad did me too good for me to waste my energy for negativity. I will.
Because
no, you won't kill me. You will never kill me.
Because one thing I'll say, Ndiori, it's been a long man. It's been a long journey. I've seen you. I remember the days of Univen Beshies.
From Univen FM to Makoya Gossip.
No,
run around
before you
music.
Before you even Univen FM, I'm talking about the days of attending the bash at the Univen. Being friends with DJs there, we remember the DJ Flavors. We remember the
people, the fancy face times. Yeah, I remember.
And now people what you call now maybe Parapara. They don't know those guys were one of the best DJs back in the day.
They were back then. They were the best, man. Best, Master G.
Like we had all these things.
So,
and they don't even know about those rappers. So if we take it back, coming back, and people can try and learn and get experience from someone like Rita and the rest. It means a lot. As an artist, you don't have to be under Rita Entertainment. You can go there for no.
Yeah, you don't have to be. Yes,
you can ask. I want to learn this. I want to.
Yeah, you don't have to. You don't really have to be signed. Remember, Robert Chingasana Vendalote, the problem you're Ningasana Mumbinis na budget.
Thank you.
The opponent does go Valda Koromo Dangana Zinjina on a Cisco Rungana Ruwe, Dalaya Jena Zapa, Cisco Ronda Zafa. And every project should be allocated its own budget. So Ningasabakanganya. But then we are opening our doors to say if you need your music to be submitted to TV and to radio, or if you need your music to be monitored, or if you have problems on putting up your music on iTunes, on these digital platforms, and you need assistance, you can just send me an inbox, then I can try, help you, or show you how it's been done so we can empower each other. Remember, so if you need to perform and Corona is still giving us problems, you can go to my inbox and say, Richard, this is what I do. Send me a link of what you do. Because the which is the truth. Because the talking about Bagidima Bakunyagori Badum and Uduma as Kumisikana as well as Zotazonator and Gomori, Native Vinity Bonamubango, Nabatu and Benakushimangam Rao. So never could Zamo, your Faramaiki, Matsiko to Econo, road manager, can to Econo marketing, can economy. At the Langas 10 years, I could as Suzine. udotambula bamkalasa vachidziwana navaliti.
Hey, yeah, ne. Yeah, that's one valid point in it. I think most of artists work with
ndifuna zoduma nolavana and then naona no waste 10 years of your life natisala chidziwana novana 40 years and uziri nolenga mara naumurorara nadozviita murauyu maybe hai navhenda loti nevanikolengesana ri nevavhenda mukomvesesa.
Because honestly speaking, it's all about planning and making sure you know your target market and you know what you want to do. Then you put your
create a demand, create your demand so you can supply people. Nzikona mtu ako ane mudevi ndi mwimbi otomwimba vege operawo machenga ene vege kunamba visa ruimbo. How to create a demand there? The supply, I mean, who's going to buy that? We don't know you. Angotoma strategies uri robisa anu remusedze. Ningonpesesa mara. Create your demand so we can supply people.
Yeah, because I remember the time when we created the platform to sell music. Recording some music through SMS. And then when you had a song, Rokopana. Tongare ko nangange.
Yeah. People tell me about the world. Big space. I'm talking to all the youth, man. Who's king?
Backspace na batonde.
Niko papa misaba songori banga wabadama Koche mau to make a living sa owen da gama Kena ningalina sa tofinya na guadama Who said ladies can't live, said Dani wone chandama You can ask about me, nigga, I'm a graduate Veni niko tota means, vina nizi tambure Niko mba me, ndandi salinga burek Nikishika modini, vari fasinga burek Vari home my fest, if you need more cash I gotta thank my brain, she was talking success Now I stay posted like a celebrity kid Sakalanga tingariti and I need a test Shumani no kwata funze vendi yone takangori na deta zo baba ndo zindera sati tata Rana mara anarari hai Hava wana when I shine better stuff I never die So ya panda Umachero muzolani Yani sikoro Yani sikoro Yani sikoro Umachero muzolani Yani sikoro
Then what up and go? Mutin mutunga miloro niwe na zigol. Nimeka kunenda funa straight like a pole. Jinena dazone mamuzinda bazone machero so ya nindu goro nindo bana mukibu mache. Ubara bugwano mazuba pesa nindu gero panda na chigoro karere na samugero. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Not as if you were to live forever. Yani together nini jeso tamba na utefa. Funzo kaiba ya Thomas Adamu na Efa. Defuna ufunzo ndiko tena so AI. Funzo ndiyo funzo na funzo wafunzo. Atosema sote marka funzo ndo bakunda. Markusino no funzo endelea ni ndo bakunda. Pandana funzo.
Umachero muzolani Yani sikoro Yani sikoro Yani sikoro Umachero muzolani Yani sikoro Got a picture on my head, everybody shining light. I better work harder with my pen and my paper. When you see me, know that I'm a paper chaser. I'm greater, future generator. Banja bado kamne ba kunyaka ni ba bike. Yani chikoroni ba the dead vani teacher. Ninga kona songo shona, never play the system, never sit on the corner. High corner, the Chinese are Ulara, the Chinese are Mahola, neighbor, I'm by Mahola. Yani chikoroni ni the Shuma na Mahola. Basuna the rest of our eaters are Paula. Terribles and not enough the food and need the corner. Vana tapanyani, vana a corner. I watch a blow my wet up like a corner. Nasa Shuma ni the Sapana Nandala. Yani chikoroni. Yani chikoroni. Yani chikoroni. Umachero muzolani Yani chikoroni. Yani chikoroni.
I've tried to do the one Rita Mara. It seems like Zuko Bar, and because right now it's 12 o'clock. Kotiore Riambena homicide resident na pungul na lawari liko affect vendanga manda. So I'll have to come back. Husikare right now man dukan suhana ni wana ndo mahunguni. As you know, nyarwana on Facebook ni sako search nema mahunguni kana Van Rap Radio. Narinjiga nga fana ya Instagram, Twitter hote nema kana Van Rap Radio ni dongwana nema wama hunguni. Twitter the same thing nema wama hunguni. WhatsApp 0826937124. Sazo number zone. And right now I'm out of here. Eranre wana duka hapa bare homicide wanumfuna mamtakalera bare ndivusani takarani Mr. Ziggy Man.